Christ died for the church. So the man's proof of love is his desire to die for the wife. Have you seen that? It says, women, submit to your husband as unto the Lord. It means the way you submit to Jesus. When Jesus says no, the answer is no. So when your husband says no, your husband says no, what is your answer? Yes. Are you getting the point? And how can you die for somebody when you tell them no? It becomes easier to die for somebody when you tell them you don't go there. That person is not going. It becomes difficult to, when you die, imagine, do you know why many people are prepared to die for their children? I hear a woman when they are fighting in the street here. Another one was saying, I take this one 9 months. When I heard that story, I said, God, this woman knows the pain of having this child. She does not know the pain of having that relationship. That's why she's still saying no. I said, there are 3 answers that are very nice for every wife to have. Is yes. Like my neighbor likes to call it, yes, honey. Honey. Yes, honey. The other one is silence. The other one is thank you. Anything you know beyond that is corruption, is great corruption. So is it easier to die for someone that obeys you or someone that disobeys you?
Obeys me.
Yet the Bible says that how a man loves a woman, he must be willing to what? To die.